Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to change payment method in Netflix. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open your browser on your phone and go to Netflix website. Then after you go to Netflix, you should log in into your account, and this method will work either you use your browser on your phone or on your PC. So once you log in, you should go to these three horizontal lines right here, and after that you should navigate to account. Once you open your account settings, as you can see, it will show you this page. Now you have to scroll down till you get to this option right here, manage payment info. Tap on manage payment info, then it will show you this page. Now here, as you can see, I have added a Visa before. You can now click on add payment method or click on edit right here in order to change your Visa. But keep in mind, if you click on edit, by this method you will remove the old Visa and your subscription to Netflix will be cancelled because you don't have a credit card to renew your subscription. So keep that in mind. So in order to avoid this problem, we can simply click on add payment method right here. Then once you click on add payment method, it will show you these options. You can choose any payment method from these options, and after that you should add the payment information. Now once you've added the payment method, you now can go back and now you can choose which payment method that you are going to use in order to pay, and after that you can simply delete the old one. Just click on edit, then click on delete, and you will remove the old payment method. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.